Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 193. Topics of considerable interest were discussed at the district conference of the Labour Party. There was much praise for the National Insurance Act. The question of the nationalisation of railways in the United Kingdom raised a lengthy and interesting discussion. With regard to proportional representation, it was asserted that it was opposed by party organizers because it would open the way to government by groups which would be contrary to the traditions of the British Constitution. Much objection was taken to the increase in the naval estimates for the current year, and some speakers averred that our plenipotentiaries abroad might do more to check the desire for increased armaments. The condition of the working classes in the United States and Germany was given as an argument against tariff reform, while it was argued that the whole question of colonial preference could only be satisfactorily settled by an imperial parliament. Full stop.